All right, welcome to the lab for your first chapter in Java. And ironically, we're not going to be using Java in here. Instead, we're going to be using Scratch. This is just kind of break the ice for you, get used to some code sequences here, kind of get your mind in a computational logic format. That's what we use in computer science. Anywho, what you're going to do is you're going to create a sprite that's going to be able to say a list of words in numerical order by pressing the up arrow. So we're using the up arrow, we press the up arrow, and it's going to count from index position 1. We call these indices right here. It goes 1 all the way to 7. And you should be able to put any number of variables in here. Don't just go through and put the say blocks and list these out. You need to create a list that puts all 7 of these inside there. And it should say length of 7. We could put any number of values in here and the code will still work no matter what. So when I press the up key, it'll go through and count those out one by one all the way through the end. It goes from 1 to 7. So you're going to need to create a code that goes through the list and counts those out. On the other side, what you're going to do, and this is for the on-level students and pre-AP students. Pre-AP, you'll get your magical little step here in the next few seconds. When we press the down arrow, it's going to count backwards from 7 all the way to 1. So we'll go from horse to cat. And you can see it's counting backwards all the way to cats. All right, so that's what you're going to do for on-level in Computer Science 1. Pre-AP students, you're going to do something a little bit extra. You're going to like this. It's a lot of fun. When you press the right arrow, it's going to use something called concatenation or the join block. It's going to count up, and in the same statement, in the same sense, it's going to count backwards. Well, not count backwards, but it's going to say the list backwards. So when we start it, it's going to say cat, horse, dog, bat, mouse, louse, house, louse. They'll say louse, house, bat, mouse, horse, dog. Well, actually, it'll work out, I promise you. We should have an even number here. So we press right, and you see cat, horse, dog, bat, mouse, louse, house, house, louse, mouse, bat, dog, horse, cat, and there you have it. Okay, that's what I missed, house, house. Okay, so one more time for you pre-AP students. It's counting up and backwards through the list and saying them simultaneously in the same statement right there. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to have to use a little bit of imagination and go through and figure these things out, and good luck.